Do you want to know how you can refresh suggestions on Onlyfans? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech Helpline. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can refresh suggestions being shown on the Onlyfans page. So, go to onlyfans.com in your Chrome or Edge browser. And then in the right side, you can see the suggestions being shown. You can see that there are options of refresh, or you can even do next and look at the new suggestions. And if you press the refresh button, new suggestions of creators will be shown. So it's quite simple. Go to suggestions and click the refresh button and you will see new suggestions being shown to you. So it's quite an easy process. Go to onlyfans.com in your Chrome or Edge browser, and in the right hand corner you can see the suggestions option. In the suggestion option, press the refresh button and then your suggestions will be refreshed. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.